Yeah.
What'd you do for all the 7 years that you weren't bowling?
I just love my wife, and we went. I go fishing too. Larry Crawford's my name, and I'm glad to have Dr. Prez for a doctor. My shoulder's good. Well, it's actually great because I'm back bowling again. I used to be the 200 average bowler. Then I wore out my shoulder and I didn't bowl for about 7 years. But I'm not up to the level that I was before, but also I'm older. I am up to 150s and 170s. I can get 9 all the way across, but the 10 pin keeps me from getting to 200. I had a reverse replacement put in because it's heals faster, less physical therapy to get my arm to go straight up over my head, and I can get behind my back. A lot of different things that I wanted to get done so I could go back to bowling anyhow. And you take off, push the ball out,